welcome to a video here on the channel. In today's video, we are back with a Stock Talk video. And for today's Stock Talk video, we're going to be talking about my top 3 overreaction plays. Yet again, I'm back with a part 2 right now. You guys enjoyed my last video. I gave off some pretty good callouts, and so I'm back with another video. We're going to be talking about the top 3 best plays you should be looking at right now, okay? Notice I didn't say buy them, okay? Because we are at a very uncertain time frame, okay? Because for the past couple months, we've been going up, and up, okay? And we finally hit a pullback point. Now, notice this isn't a market crash, so to say, okay? And a lot of people are freaking out about it, and a lot of people are also saying, look, just calm down, okay? Because it's not a crash. It's more of a pullback, something we've needed because of this huge tech bubble that we've been inside for such a long time. So we needed this little correction, and now because of this correction, it gives us the perfect opportunity as traders to find these best overreaction plays, okay? And so for our first overreaction play we have on the list is TWLO, okay? TWLO. I love this stock overall, okay? I got into it a couple months ago when I first heard about it, and I've been riding the wave up, okay? But now, as we're looking at it from the trading perspective of this stock, we've hit highs a couple days ago on Monday of 283. Oh, that was Tuesday, my bad. 283, okay? And because of the market pullback and the crash, TWLO is now down to 233, okay? And hit lows of 223. But let's just pull it back here and look at our 180-day chart. As you can see, this is a massive pullback. It's a massive pullback on a lot of different stocks, and obviously this stock was at a low price point to begin with. Now, is it overpriced? No. But I do think that this was a healthy pullback, okay? And it's something that we can play off of. Look at every single time that there's been a pullback. It seems to happen that every single pullback causes an overreaction play, okay? And then corrects itself and gains to higher highs, okay? Look at this. Overreaction play, boom, and then corrects itself, makes higher highs. Boom. Overreaction play, boom, corrects and makes higher highs, okay? So there's just a big trend of correction and overreaction plays. So like I said, this is my favorite type of trading because it's easy. Okay, let me rephrase that. It's easier to find the bottom of these overreaction plays and play off of it, okay? Obviously, we have to keep watching this because we don't know how this week's going to go, okay? Obviously, we had a bad last couple days, and the market doesn't open up till Tuesday, so it'll be interesting to see how the markets look. But from there on, we've already hit our low of 223, and it started to recover, obviously, throughout the day Friday, but we'll see what happens throughout the rest of the week. Remember, don't just buy into these and hold them. Definitely do your research and look into them before getting them, and then find that bottom and try and build off of that, okay? And next up on the list, we have DOCU. DOCU, okay? This stock has been grinding lately, okay? Okay, so as you can see from our 10-day chart here, DOCU has been moving very, very rapidly more recently because of the overall earnings. And because of it, people started raising their overall price targets. People started getting into the stock more, and it hit highs at 293. And obviously, with everything going on, the market kind of pulled back, and there goes DOCU. And along with it, the earnings weren't the best, yada, yada, yada. It doesn't really matter, though. What we're looking at here is where we are. I really like DOCU, okay? Because if we look back to its 180-day chart, you can see that it's a very healthy stock when it comes to pullbacks, okay? But what I like even more is that we had this huge jump because of the expected earnings, but now we pulled back to previously before the earnings even were the hype before the earnings was coming out. So we're in a good spot right now, okay? We are in a beautiful spot on our overall 180-day chart, and I think that this is going to be a good stock to keep on your watch list. And our last stock on the list, OSTK, Overstock. Okay, Overstock is a company that I'm not too sure what to think of it, okay? I'm kind of scared to call this one out because I really like DOCU and I really like TWLO, but when it comes to Overstock, I get a little worried, okay? It ran up massively, okay? It was one of those huge stocks, those e-commerce stocks that just ran up massively at $2.50 in March, all the way up to $128. That's insane, okay? And a stock like this isn't normal for a normal market, but what we're in right now is just, it's kind of mind-blowing. So obviously, it's kind of expected to have this major pullback. But if you look at this, the pullback started to happen towards the end of August, okay? And then with it, obviously, the crash that or not crash, but the pullback that we had last week kind of just played into it. And now here we are, okay? We're back to below $70, okay? So if we go back to our 5-day chart, you can see it's just in a downward spiral. But what I would like to see off of this is sometime this week, we are going to have a green day, and it's going to be a strong green day. I can see it because everybody that came out is going to look to get into other stocks, and because that's going to push up something like this. This is a nice overreaction play, but you have to be careful with something like this, okay? Because as you can see, it ran up very, very quickly, okay? And when it had pullbacks, they were massive pullbacks. But that's why I like something like this, okay? We're still moving downward, okay? And we just have to find the bottom of this stock, okay, and play off of that. So as you can see, the stock, yes, has run up very fast and very rapidly, but because of where we are right now with everything going on, I think that you can get a nice scalpel and it can rise up a little bit. So because of that, I'm going to keep this one last in the list. I definitely want you guys to check out DOCU and TWLO, okay? DOCU is in a beautiful position, like I said, because of the post-earnings, and here we are now. We are kind of restarting, and everyone will be getting back into some of these stocks coming up this week, okay? So definitely watch out for those types of stocks. Same thing with TWLO. So yeah, definitely check out TWLO, DOCU, and even Overstock, because those are my top 3 favorite picks, okay? Definitely do your research, figure out which one you like the best, and be careful because we're in a little bit of a scary situation right now. Not saying this is a market crash, but it is a pullback. We don't know how long the pullback is going to last, and we don't know what comes to the future of this pullback. So definitely do your research, do your due diligence, and figure out what you would like to do. Leave some comments down below if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, and give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next video.